welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. In today's video, I'm going to make a customized clock. This actually I'm making it for my best friend for her birthday. So yes, I hope you'll like this idea. This is my own idea I made. I've seen obviously and I've taken ideas. So I hope you like it. So without wasting time, let's begin.
So here you can see the ice cream sticks, and I've also taken 4 thin cardboard sheets of the same size and stuck it together to make it a bit thicker. And yes, I've painted both of them using fabric paints. Coming to next thing is, as you can see, I have these things that I need for the clock, that is the machine and the hands. So firstly, let me insert this machine to the middle part. Here you go, it's ready. And now you might be thinking, how am I going to write the numbers in such small one? So you'll get to know soon. Before that, we'll have to do one thing, that is, you'll see it in 3, 2 and 1. Here you go. I've stuck these ice cream sticks to the clock part. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the numbers to these ice cream sticks. And how is the number going to be? You all can see it at the side now. I've taken the printouts of these numbers, and yes, each of the numbers are customized. That is, they have the photo. Each of the numbers has a photo of my best friend. Since this is a gift for her, obviously there will be her photos. So going ahead, let us take this there. Here you go, it's ready. So also I've stuck half pearl beads to the middle part to make it look a bit more beautiful. And yes, at the back side I've stuck this ring so that you can hang it on the wall anywhere, at the nail or somewhere. So yes, it's ready. So this is the final look of the customized clock that I made just now. So I hope you all liked it. If yes, you know what to do. Also, if you will have anything in your mind, any handmade gift or anything that you've seen, you want to learn how to make it, you all can let me know in the comment section below, and I'll surely try to make them. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you all. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.